Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup video. I'm going to be showing you how I got this gorgeous look. I am in love with this look. I use Juvia's Place. Y'all know I love me some Juvia's Place, honey, okay? I use Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, the Saharan. Listen, this color that I use in here, I use another one too, but the details are all in the video. So you gotta keep watching. But this color, I am in love with it. This beautiful smoky eye. I absolutely love it with this nude look. Get all of the details when you watch the video. Y'all keep on watching. So let's get started. I'm going to start by first priming my eyelid with some concealer. So today we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. We're only going to be using two colors from this palette, Chad, which is in the lower left corner, and Kia, which is in the upper right corner. So now I'm going to go in with Chad. This is going to be a smoky eye. So of course I want the outer corner of my eye to be the darkest part. So I'm just going to dab this color in. And once I get it to the color that I want it to be, then I will start blending it out. So I'm dabbing it with a flat brush. I'm using my Farrah brush and I'm going to dab it. And then I'm going to move it over just under my brow bone. I'm not going to bring it up too high because later we're going to blend it and bring it up a little bit. So right now I'm just bringing it just under my brow bone and bringing it over to the middle of my eyelid, not taking it all the way over, but just to the middle. Now we're going to go on with Kia. We're going to put Kia right in the middle of my eyelid, right after that Chad color, and we're just going to dab that in there. Kia is such a beautiful color. It's almost like a green iridescent color, almost like a bluish green. What do y'all think? Let me know what color y'all really think this is similar to, but I was thinking it's more like an iridescent green. And as you can see, the more you dab it, the more that color comes through so strong, and I wanted that color to really pop in this look. So I dabbed it, and as you can see, I'm starting to blend it into Chad. Chad is like a black color. So I'm blending that in, and this is so beautiful. I absolutely love this color, and it has like a foil kind of look to it. But yeah, Kia is absolutely beautiful. So now I'm going to take an eyeshadow I got from my Ipsy bag, Cahoots Foiled, and it's like a gray color. So it's going to give me kind of like a silver gray kind of look, foil look. And I'm just going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. I'm using a flat brush. The reason I'm using a flat brush is because I want to be very precise. I don't want to use a, bigger brush that would give me a more, that would kind of, blend it all over the place. I want to be very precise in where I'm putting this because I don't want to take away from that Kia, because that's the color that I really want to pop. So as you can see, I'm dabbing it in there as I did with the other colors. Then I'm blending it into Kia. So whenever you want your colors to pop more, it's best to go ahead and dab it, then blend. So that's what we're doing with this. So this is how it looks so far. So now I'm going to take my Glamour Dolls brush, and this is just a blending brush, and I'm going to go back to that brow bone and I'm going to blend that out. Of course we had that Chad color there, and I brought up the Kia a little bit. So now we're going to blend that out, and we're going to blend it toward the inner part of my eye. We don't want the brow bone to just have a straight line or it to look too harsh, but you want it to look really blended and have a nice faded look to it, blended look to it. So we're just going to use that brush to blend the top of that lid right underneath my brow bone. So now that we're done with the shadows, I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner, and I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner. I have applied my eyelashes, and now I'm just priming my face, and I'm going to apply my foundation and just finish this look. So now that I've applied my foundation, I'm going to put the shadows on my waterline, and I'm going to start with Chad. I'm going to put it on the outer part of my waterline, and then I'm going to go in with Kia in the middle, and then I'm going to go in with that gray color in the inner corner of my waterline. So basically in the same order that I did my eyelid. So now I'm going to highlight and contour. If you would like a detailed description on how I highlight and contour, make sure you click on the video that is scrolling at the top of your screen right now, and you will be able to see a video that I have dedicated to nothing but highlighting and contouring. So make sure you guys check that out to get the details on products. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get into these lips. Whenever I do an eye that pops, I like to do a neutral lip. So we're going to line with some brown lip liner. And then in the middle, I'm going to apply NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color London. It's a nude color. Then I'm going to blend that together. And then I want a little gloss to it. So I'm going to apply on top of that just a little bit of NYX Butter Gloss in the color Praline, just to give it a little bit of shine, but still giving me that nude look and make my lips kind of toned down, but just really goes with the look. It's just beautiful. I love it. And this is it, y'all. This is it. Y'all like my hair? Make sure you check out my passion twist, crochet passion twist video to see how I did it. But anyway, this is it. I love it. I love it. This is giving me like galaxy vibes. I don't know. I feel powerful in my eyes. I don't know. And y'all didn't even see I had my Wonder Woman shirt on when I did this. Y'all couldn't tell me nothing. But I've enjoyed playing in these colors and playing with this palette. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I hope you try it. If you do, let me know. If you like it, subscribe. If you love it, share it, comment, like, hit that thumbs up. Thank y'all so much for watching. And as always, y'all be safe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it. Oh yeah, and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this one. Hit that bell button too so you can receive notifications of new videos that I posted. See you next time.